Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I just want to talk about this Metaltech tool shelf. This one is for their 6-foot job site series Baker scaffold, and I've been using these for a couple of years now, and I've been thinking to myself, man, I really need a shelf for one of these. And then when I was at Home Depot or wherever the last time, I saw they had these, and I thought, oh, perfect. I gotta get one of those right away. So I picked it up. I think it was only like $35, and it's got a few neat things. It just clips on the top. It's relatively strong, but I wouldn't put a ton of weight on it. It just kind of clips over the edge. I'll show you that after. So it's got space for a couple of different paint cans. It's got a deeper dish, a shallow dish. It's got some slots. It's got some spots for like screwdriver bits, holes for your hammer to go through, more slots for pliers, and then they made this really long slot for your drywall knife. And I don't think I would ever put my drywall knife in there. I put it on the top. It's going to be covered in drywall. But anyway, and then it has like 4 holes in it, and it's got a little symbol there for the screwdriver, so it'll fit screwdrivers in there. I've been using it obviously for drywalling. I've been putting my drywall stuff on it since I've been sanding, and I tried to shake most of the dust off of it for you guys. But we'll put it on top, and we'll move the camera up, and we'll put a bunch of stuff on it so you can kind of see, you know, what to expect. Here's the user's point of view, so you can see on this side where I have the drill now, that's actually a spot for the hammer. There's a bigger hole. You can put the drill and hang it over the edge. A little small tray there, a spot for bits. You can see the bits there. And then you have space in the front for pliers and screwdrivers, and then enough space for a small paint roller. Lots of space on top here for, you know, whatever you need, whatever you're working on. There's 3 different indent sizes, so your paint cans don't move around, which is really handy. And it's fairly strong. It's not super strong, but you know, you can't stand on it. I wouldn't lean on it, but it'll hold all your tools pretty nicely. So anyway, that's it. Like, it's pretty sturdy. You can hang it on this side, you can hang it on the other side. It depends on what you're looking for. If you're up against a wall in the corner, put it on this side. If you're out in the open a little bit more, put it on the other side. You have more scaffold to use. Anyway, it was only $35. It was a pretty good deal, I thought. And overall, I'm really happy with it. So it's a nice addition to my Metaltech Baker scaffold. Anyway, thanks for watching.